Hi everyone. In today's video, we're going to be talking a little bit about the concept of multiplication, okay? So, what is multiplication? Well, essentially multiplication is kind of like repeated addition. In other words, it's like addition, except it's done on a much larger scale, okay? So with multiplication problems, we're going to really rely heavily on incorporating our counting as well as our addition skills to help us solve problems, okay? So what I want to do in today's video, not going to be super long, but I just want to go over a small handful of examples of multiplication problems, just kind of show you how we approach them and then solve them, all right? So to help us do that, we're going to utilize our digital abacus, which we can see on the screen here. So let's say we have a math problem, and the math problem is 3 times 2. So we're going to utilize our counting skills to count out 2 beads. So we have 2, like that. Push it all the way over there. And we need 3 groups of those 2 beads. So there's our first group, our second group, and our third group. Okay, so as you see, we have 1, 2, 3 groups of 1, 2 beads in each group. So we would say that we have 3 groups of 2 beads each, which gives us a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 groups of 2, or 3 times 2, gives us 6. So if we were to write this down on our worksheet, it would look like this. Get that centered for you. Okay, so it looks like that. 3 times 2 equals 6. Okay, let's do a couple more examples. All right, let's say you have a multiplication problem and the problem is 5 times 4. So again, we're going to count out 4 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we need 5 groups of those 4. So there's 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups, 4 groups, 5 groups. So again, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups of 1, 2, 3, 4 beads in each group. Now, so we have 5 groups of 4 beads, which gives us a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 5 groups of 4 beads gives us 20 beads. So 5 groups of 4, or 5 times 4, equals 20. And again, if we were to write it down on that, on like a math worksheet or something, it's going to look like this, okay? So using numbers on the page, we've got 5 times 4 equals 20. All right, let's do one more example just to really kind of drive home that understanding. All right, let's say we have a math problem, and the math problem is 8 times 6. So again, we need to count out 6 beads, 3, 6, and we need 8 groups of these 6. So there's our first group, second group, third group, fourth group, fifth group, 6, 7, and 8. So again, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 groups of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 beads in each group. So we have 8 groups of 6, or 8 times 6, which gives us a total, or a product, of 48. So again, if we were to, let's say, have a math worksheet and we needed to write these numbers down on the page, it would look like this. The problem and the solution would look like this. It would be 8 times 6 equals 48. All right, there you have it. That is how we approach solving multiplication problems. I hope this video was helpful, and we'll see you next time.